This free tutorial will show you how to create a photo edit fast in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, go to the top left hand screen and then scroll to the right and then click templates. And then go to the left and underneath templates, click the drop down arrow. Click the second option, For You page, and underneath here, under the search bar, type in the following: Trent space edit. And then underneath here, there's a list of different edits, but if you were to scroll down, we're going to be using the particular edit with the phone. Click to highlight, and then in order to add this, scroll to the bottom right hand screen and click the plus or the blue icon to add to the... As you can see now, we can go back to the import tab and click over here in the middle screen on the timeline to replace the 17 clips. You're going to basically replace each and every one when you click and locate a image or photo on your device, and do this for the remaining ones. And then after all of the images have been replaced, you want to click hide right here, and then you want to click and highlight the clip, assuming you want to replace the audio. Go to the top right hand screen and under video volume and music volume, drag this to the left so that now it is muted. And then locate on your PC or computer device and drag in an audio that you would like and drag it on top of the clip. Right click the clip and click extract audio, and then delete the video clip and then adjust your audio piece according to how you like. And this is the after. Completely for free in Capcut PC.